What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to be detailing the boat and getting that sold and bringing some money into the channel. And we're going to be taking a break from the Camrys in Monte Carlo since I just had surgery and my collarbone's still healing, so we'll give that about 1 or 2 more weeks. So without further ado, let's get the boat started. So here's our Sea Ray 185 ski boat. We haven't driven it since like last summer, so it's been sitting a while, and it has a lot of debris in it since like the last hurricane, so it's really dirty. And see those PVC pipes? It left a lot of scuffs on the side of the boat.
If you ever use these pipes to help guide your boat on a trailer, which help a lot, you need to put a cover over it, because every time your boat hits it, it leaves these PVC marks and it scuffs your boat up real bad. So we're going to try to pressure wash these off. If not, we're going to try to buff it off with our buffer.
And also one more thing is we finally got the pressure washer working since one of the previous videos, I think the first Monte Carlo video. We figured out what was wrong with it. It was the water fitting.
Yeah, this high pressure fitting right here, it was leaking so bad, air was getting into the pump and it wouldn't allowing the pump to pump water. So I guess the guy just threw it away, and we spent, what, 30 something bucks?
I think like 25 to 30.
Yeah, and changed that out, and it's great. It works perfect. So it was a great find.
Great find, and we didn't even spend a lot. So let's take the boat cover off and take a look at the inside.
All right, so let's get this boat cover off and see how bad it is under it, because Hurricane Ida did a real number to this boat. It blew the cover off and it just filled up with leaves and pine straw, and we never had time to put it all back together and clean it up. So I don't know how bad it's gonna be. Still full of leaves. It's not too bad though.
It got much better. All right, so the first step is we're gonna be detailing the inside of the boat. See how it has a lot of debris? We're gonna first off sweep the leaves and stuff. That way when we pressure wash, it doesn't blow them everywhere. These handles have lots of mold and that's real dirty. So we're gonna
get this up first, make sure this isn't damaged. Doesn't look bad. A lot of dirt daubers and spider webs. All these seats look good. These are good. So really the only damage this boat has is these back 4 cushions. And this is like probably 1,500 bucks to get somebody to revinyl it, maybe up to 2,000. So we're not gonna worry about that. We'll let the new owners do that. And so we're just gonna clean it up real good and put it on the market to sell. All right, so let's get all the stuff out of the boat so we don't mess it up.
Is that it?
Yep.
Let's see what's in here. Here's our knee boards. Get all this out. This is all full of straw too. We're gonna have a lot of work today. All right, I got the boat swept out as much as I can. Now we're gonna pressure wash it and then scrub it with soap. So let's get that done.
It's a good little pressure washer.
All right.
How'd it come out?
I'm still washing it, but we got it washed down pretty good. Now we're going to scrub it with soap and then wash it again.
All right, let's get the soap.
All right.
All right, here's your soap. And here's one other little tip. We've been using toilet bowl cleaner for a long time, and it really gets a boat cleaned up good.
Yeah, we've been using it for years and we really like it. So I'll start in the front, you can start in the back, and then we'll re-pressure wash it after we put the soap, and then it should be cleaned pretty much after that, the inside.
Yeah, the inside should be good, then we'll work on the outside.
Yeah. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna do one last pressure wash on the inside of the boat, and then the boat should be 100%. We're gonna have to put the cushions back that my mom pressure washed, and then after that, the whole inside of the boat should be finished. All right, so we have a big storm coming around sometime next week, so we're gonna attempt to pull the boat up to higher ground level. That way it doesn't get stuck in that low land. So we're gonna back the golf cart up and connect the boat to the golf cart and push it up.
Go back and stop. I'm gonna just leave this wheel down and just try to pull up on the concrete. I'm gonna get behind the boat and push.
All right.
That's good.
All right, so we got the boat moved up. Now let's see if we can get all these scuff marks off without having to use the buffer. So let's get started. All right, so it looks like the pressure washer is not getting these scuff marks off, so it looks like we're gonna have to buff the boat.
All right, I'm trying to buff it with this Ultra Pro finishing polish. It's not working that great. It's getting rid of half of it, but it's helping get rid of this white fade haziness. So I'm gonna at least do that and make the deeper blue come back out. Those scuff marks just will not come off. I'm not too happy how it came out. The scuff marks, see right here, I just cannot get these off. But the buffing did make the blue a little bit deeper, which is good. But I'm disappointed in these scuff marks. Let's finish wiping it down. We'll put this carpet back in and then get a full little after picture. We took these carpets out a few months ago and cleaned them real good. They were black. So just try to figure out where they go and put them down, then we'll button them in. I think this one goes in the front, just like that. All right, one last step before we do the final reveal. Let's test drive it. So Tyler, you could put the water muffs on it, turn the water on, and it's been since last summer since it ran, so it may smoke a lot and be a little hard to start. But we're gonna get it running, and then tomorrow we'll do a full maintenance, spark plugs, wires, change the oil, fuel filter, rotor. So have it all ready to sell.
Looks like it runs pretty good.
Yeah, I'm surprised. Gas is old in it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We just finished detailing the boat and hope to get it sold by next week. And hope to get the Camrys in Monte Carlo and this boat sold. That way we can use that money on our future build. That build is a surprise, so we won't tell you that. But if you have any questions, shoot us an email or leave us a comment. We respond to everyone. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Swamp Boys Garage. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.